Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur a moving object in CapCut. So first, you can just add the video that you want to edit, and let's just go straight to effects. Then just add the blur effects into the video. So click on a blur, adjust the blur to how you like it, and adjust the durations for the whole clip. And after that, export this. Okay, just wait until the exporting process is finished. And after it's finished, don't click on done, but you need to go back to the editing. So let's click on the arrow to go back and delete the effects. Now add the video that you've just exported as overlay. So click on add overlay, add a video in here. Then fit the size to be the same like this. Then go to mask. In here, I'm going to choose a circle shape. So just adjust the circle to the part that you want to blur. For example, here I'm going to blur like this. Click on a check icon, and that's it. So this is how you can blur a moving object with CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.